Moore, you came to court today to prove you are the biological father of 4-year-old Aliana. You and your current girlfriend claim the defendant has played on your emotions for 4 years and has allowed another man to raise your little girl.
Another man? What?
You are desperate to put the defendant's doubt to rest so you can finally be in your daughter's life. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Scott, you say you are positive Mr. Moore is not your daughter's biological father.
She thinks he's
Once
not
the
the
test
father.
proves you right, you want Mr. Moore to leave you and your child alone. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Moore, you say you've always believed Allie is your daughter. Tell me why.
Yes, Your Honor. I've never seen my child a day in my life.
You've never seen her?
A day in my
Never
life.
seen
But
her.
you're convinced she's your daughter.
Yes, Your Honor.
So why hasn't he seen her? If he feels that way, why hasn't he tried to see her?
I've tried to see her, Your Honor. Blocked me all sources of contact. She even changed her number. I tried to reach out to her
Changed her
on
number?
social media.
What?
I couldn't even get through on that.
So you have reached out
Yes, Your
through
Honor.
social media and tried her
Never.
phone number, but she changed her number?
Never
Yes,
about seeing her. Never. He only thing he ever said was, "That's my child. That's my child." Never about seeing her. That's not your kid. So
Why is he so
you've
sure,
never
though?
tried to see her ever, and I don't mind because that's not his kid.
So why do you believe she's denying you're the father? Why?
Because she had sex with another guy at the time.
Well,
Damn.
that's reason to doubt, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
But not deny. That's what you're saying.
Yes, Your Honor.
It still remains that you are a possibility.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So now, what was the nature of your relationship, Miss Scott?
We met on a dating site.
Dating
He was
site,
kind of like an
okay.
escape plan for something that I was going through. So
An
I wanted
escape
to,
plan?
Yeah.
Escape plan.
How did you say
So-
that? What?
So
I
I
was more
wanted to
than
get
an
away.
escape
I
plan.
wanted
I
to
was
do
like-
that. I wanted to get away from that. So you know, I kind of led him on. I wasn't trying to
Kinda led him
pursue
on.
nothing. You know, be no family or anything with this man. We met together. He asked me to move in with him. I moved in with him. We maybe stayed together maybe a month, and I left.
And when was this?
That
Move in
was
together and leave
in
after a
July
month.
2013.
In July.
Your Honor,
Okay.
we had sex the first night I met her.
Oh shit! The first
We
night.
so did not. We did not. We did not. It was not the first night. It was early, but it wasn't the first night.
But when you did have sex, Miss Scott,
Who's
did you
lying
use
over there?
protection?
No, it wasn't protected.
Okay. So you moved in for a month.
Right.
Were you faithful during that month, or you all were only seeing one another?
I was currently in a relationship when I met him
She was
originally.
cheating too.
When
What?
you moved in with him?
Right.
That's crazy.
So why would you do that?
Because he was my escape plan. He was my dummy,
Escape
basically.
plan. What?
Away from that.
Mr. Moore, you
Okay, results.
are the father.
He is the father. What? He is the father. No. She didn't expect that, huh?
You are the father,
What?
Mr. Moore. That's your little girl.
He's never seen her a day in his life. Remember that.
That's 4 years I missed out, but I'll make it up to her. I promise.
4 years, huh?
Miss Scott? What are you feeling right now?
I feel bad that
Yeah, I understand that you feel
to know
bad.
that is his child. She has not known him for 4 years. And I'm 23 years old. I've never had my dad. I always said if I ever had children, I wanted to always make sure my children had
Mr. Moore,
Crazy.
you
their biological daddy, and whether that man and I were together or not, to be in their lives. And now I feel like it's my fault because it's been 4 years.
Yeah,
And I
maybe
feel
it
like
is her fault. I don't know, man.
I've wronged my daughter
You guys decide.
4 years with him.
Whose fault is this?
listen. I see your pain. But what is so great about each and every day we live, it's another opportunity to do better and get it right.
Yeah, they can
Neither
get it right.
one of you have handled it the best. Mr. Moore, I'm happy for you. I know you have lost some time,
I wish
but
him the
like you
best, man. I
said,
wish
you
him
can
the
make
best.
that up, and you can break the generational curse that has happened to you by having Aliana know the love of her father consistently from here on out. We have counseling and resources for all of you. I hope you take advantage of it and take care of that beautiful little girl. Court is adjourned.
Their biological daddy, and whether that
Subscribe
man
for
and I
more,
were
guys.
together or not,